Hey everyone, today we are going to show you how to convert an EPS file to PDF. If you need to open or share design files more easily, this is for you. On your desktop or laptop, if you have an EPS file and want to convert it to a PDF, all we need to do is open the browser. Make sure you already have the EPS file ready. Here, we have an example of an EPS file. Now open your browser and go to the search bar. Type EPS to PDF. It's that simple. To convert the file, all we need to do is click on cloudconvert.com. This is an easy tool that converts EPS files to PDF. Just select the file and choose the EPS file. As you can see, there is our EPS file. Now click Convert, and it will start converting the file into a PDF. Then click Download. As you can see, the download is complete. Once we open the file, there is our EPS converted to a PDF file. We can now see the EPS has been changed into a PDF. This will help you convert EPS files into PDF format quickly and easily. We hope this helps you view, share, and print your files without any compatibility issues.